Hi everyone. Today we are gonna discuss present perfect continuous tense. You know that this is the very interesting tense while speaking. When we use this present perfect continuous tense, our speaking is more interesting than the normal speaking. So we should use this tense while speaking. But how should we use and where should we use? We are going to learn today. So you people have to watch the video till the end. If you are new to the channel, you people have to subscribe and you will be hearing such type of videos in upcoming days. So we are starting about present perfect continuous tense. What is the present perfect continuous tense? This is the question. The very first question, what is the present perfect continuous tense itself is? Generally we are saying that the actions that are continued in past but still they are uh, continued in present. In this way we are using present continuous tense. Another interesting thing is that we use since and for mostly with present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so we'll see everything. The present perfect continuous tense expresses actions or situation that began in the past and are still continuing in the present. Means the actions that are started in the past and they are continued now. We are when we are speaking about such type of actions, we use present perfect continuous tense. Okay, this is done. Second concept, if the formed using the it is formed using the present perfect of the verb to have, has, have plus been plus the present participle form of the verb plus ing. Okay, uh, this is actually the structure. We will see in the structure has and have are used as a helping verb and been is used as well, and ing form of verb is present participle, ing form verb is used. Okay, we'll see structure of the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, what is the structure? We will come to know about what is the ing form, what is the participle in this structure. The first thing, subject, means the subject you use, the doer of the action. After that, the uh, helping verbs has and have plus been, have been or has been, or present participle means verb plus ing. When we use it is the verb in the sentence, that is present participle. For example, I will make a sentence, he has been working in my company for 2 years. If I say this is the correct sentence of present perfect continuous tense. Examples, we have some examples. I have been working. If you say I have been working for 2 days, it is also correct. It doesn't mean that it I have been working is correct, rest of the sentences are wrong. Okay, you can add object of the sentence and you can add the complement of the sentence. Got it? Okay, she has been studying. This is another example. Okay, now use of since. You know that I had already told you that since and for are part of present perfect continuous tense. Okay, since is used to indicate the starting point of an action or situation that is still ongoing. Means since is used that when you talk about, you are talking about the exact time. You know that starting of the thing, the action, you know the starting of the action and still it is ongoing, you are talking about it, you will use since in this tense. Example, sorry, it is followed by a specific point in time, followed by a specific time. Example, I have been learning Spanish since 2018. Means you know the starting time of this uh, tense or this action, you are using since in this way, right? Okay, next is usage of for. I have already told you for is also part of this tense. For is used to indicate the duration of an action or situation that is still ongoing. Duration, it can be any time, means any period from your past. Okay, any period can be. For example, I said that since last, since 2018, it means that after 2018 it is fixed time. Whereas if I said that since 2 years, then which 2 years? Last 2 years, or from 2012 or to 2014, what I haven't specified them, that's why I am using for. Got it? Okay, it is followed by a period of time, not the specific time. She has been playing the piano for 2 years. For 2 years means which 2 years? Okay, we don't know. Okay, difference between since and for. How will we differentiate? Since indicates the starting point of an action. For indicates the duration of action. Example, I have been living in this city since 2015. This is starting point. Okay, another example, I have been living in this city for 6 years. Duration. Got it? This is what actually the difference between present perfect continuous tense. I hope that you people have understood each and everything about the present perfect continuous tense. If you have still any issue, you can ask in the comment section. I will make you clear in upcoming video. So what we learn about present perfect continuous tense, the definition, after that the structure of present perfect continuous tense, the helping verb, whatever the uh, past present participle, whatever in this is in the structure we learn. After that we learn the usage. After that we learn since and for. Then we differentiate since and for in perfect continuous tense. And I hope that you have understood everything. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.